Hey guys, and welcome back to another informed video. So finally, there's a good video for AT&T and their home internet, guys. So as we know, AT&T and their home internet has been pretty bad. It was pretty expensive. It only gave you like 300 gigabytes, but now it seems to be a little bit better. And this seems to be what AT&T's been kind of needing to compete, of course, with T-Mobile and Verizon. Those two being the best. Home internet providers or yeah. So it says AT&T announces Internet Air, its new 5G home internet. So that's what I meant. So the best 5G home internets, of course, is number one is T-Mobile. That's probably the best one that I personally I don't have, but my family has and tested out. And Verizon number two, and of course AT&T was like dead last. But now it seems like they're launching a new service that can improve and be better pricing and more internet and stuff like that. So let's get into it, guys, and see what this is about. So it says AT&T is venturing into wireless internet for the first time. It's not true. I mean, they did have something else before. The company is looking for a way to maintain its stake in rural and DSL markets without having to replace expensive or outdated copper wireless in these areas. Because, guys, to run copper and to even give internet to rural America or people that don't have it, it's pretty expensive, thousands of dollars, like tens of thousands of dollars. So that's why, like I said, a T-Mobile and Verizon now, if you just have the little black box and it connects to a cellular tower, and boom, that's how you get the 5G home internet. Like I said, of course, T-Mobile being the most popular one, they're probably the pioneers when it came to that, really. So it says AT&T Internet Air, that's what it's called, offers download speeds from 40 to 140 megabits per second down, which is a lot faster compared to the company's DSL internet, which reaches around 6 megabits per second. Wow, that's really slow. And like I said, at this time, guys, I mean, like I have fiber in my house, and just a lot of new neighborhoods usually have two or even three different cable companies. Of course, I use cable. AT&T fiber actually, so I did have Spectrum, which is here in North Carolina. Of course, some other people might use Comcast and all that other stuff. But like I said, this is what's available in my area. So it says upload speeds have also drastically improved. The mobile report states AT&T's upload speeds have increased 10 times from 512 kilobits per second to 5 to 25 megabits per second up, which is really nice. So it's a lot faster. It's like, I don't know, 250 times faster, whatever it is. I don't know. It's a big number. 512 kilobits per second is useless. Might as well, your phone could upload a file way faster than that, It says, while this is significant improvement in speeds, data can slow down due to network congestion. So there's no priority data with this, guy. So in times of congestion, your speeds might be slowed. So if you live in a big neighborhood and a lot of people are using, or in a big area, should I say, or neighborhood, whatever, or in the city, middle city, and everybody's using AT&T, your speeds might not reach, 140 or even 40 times congestion. So when people get off of work around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, you're turning on the TV, you're watching the, I don't know, UFC fights or the news or soap operas or Netflix or whatever. If everybody's on there, it's causing traffic, which will bog down the network. So, but of course, when it's 1, 2, 3 in the morning, speeds probably 140 because not everybody's on the network. So it says AT&T says the company is continuing to upgrade services and expand its network. AT&T Internet Air offers these region wireless home internet for only $55 a month without a long-term contract, which is the same deal you'll find with T-Mobile, Verizon, and Metro. Of course, Metro has the same deal as T-Mobile because it's under Metro. It's called Metro by T-Mobile. Of course, it's under T-Mobile. And of course, there's the good old Verizon. AT&T is also an accepted provider for the Affordable Connectivity Program, or ACP. So eligible customers can qualify for an extra $30 off each bill. So the $55 internet price is for customers who sign up for autopay and paperless billing, of course. There is also no overage fees included with AT&T Internet Air. You can also keep your current DSL connection while trying out AT&T Internet Air during a free 7-day trial. So wow, they say, hey, keep your current internet. We will not turn it off, and you can try out AT&T Internet Air for 7 days for free. So if you don't like it, you can return it and get your money back, which is nice. AT&T is also offering its all-fi hub for free, and customers won't be required to return their existing DSL hardware. That's cool. AT&T Internet Air pairs with the Smart Home Manager app, so customers can manage their home Wi-Fi network. You'll also be provided with internet security. AT&T Active Armor keeps your wireless connection safe against no malware threats. You can enable this feature through the Smart Home Manager app. And lastly, AT&T Internet Air offers fast internet that outdates then outdated DSL lines, but it's not available in all areas yet. And of course, you can check with the coverage. Like when I checked mine, it said, of course, it said that I have fiber in my area, which I do, and I was able to get it. So not bad at all, guys. Check it out. It's called AT&T Air. It's the new thing. So if it's available in your area for $55 a month, it's not bad. Of course, you need auto pay and paperless billing. And like I said, they've been really slacking when it comes to home internet, guys. So this is a good way for them to actually come out and try to get some of that market share that T-Mobile definitely is dominating. And of course, second place is Verizon. Like I said, guys, my mom and my mother-in-law both use the T-Mobile home internet and the Metro, and they're both the same speeds. One's prepaid and one's postpaid. I would say if you don't want to get into a contract, go with Metro by T-Mobile. You can get that box. I believe the box is, when we got it, it was $50, and then the first month was free. So we just paid $50 and we're able to get it. Now, of course, with them, you do have to have an active cell phone line to get that home internet. So of course, you have to get a prepaid line with Metro, and I believe we had to get a T-Mobile line with T-Mobile to get that stuff. But overall, like I said, I know I've been bashing AT&T in the last videos I made when it comes to comparing home internet. I didn't even consider them a real threat. Like I said, it's just speeds and coverage and everything that T-Mobile had and Verizon had. It was just, left them dirt last. So, and like I said, they do, if you guys check out the ACP program, you can get $30 off your bill, which would save you quite a bit of money. So not bad at all. Like I said, go to AT&T.com and check it out. It's called AT&T Air, AT&T Internet Air, and check it out and see if it's something that you would like. So not bad at all, guys. More videos are coming your way. I'm trying. I will have a lot of time now on my hands where I can make more videos and be more consistent with the upload. So if you want to support the channel, which I would greatly appreciate it, check out the description below. You can check out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that you get discounts on popular websites like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and many more. Check it out. I will have an affiliate link, so if you do get it for your Google Chrome, it's totally free, and you buy something and save some money, I get a small kickback. So check it out, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.